Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Nicole. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do weekly videos, and this video is, I feel like, long overdue. I've always wanted to, I've been brainstorming what I want to post and all the things. As you guys saw from the title, it is a subscription box, but it's not what you think. So, with that being said, make sure you guys are subscribed, and let's get into this video. All right, so we got a box, and it's from Frock Box. My amazing friend Brittany, she's so amazing. Make sure you guys go check them out. Frock Box Canada. If you live in Canada, which is amazing, I'm sure they do America too. Don't quote me on that. I will leave everything down in the description box below where you can find them, all the things. I got a box full of subscription wear. So again, if you are needing help, if you need a stylist, if you're needing help with finding what to wear, what to put together, I know we're back in the workforce, all the things, they're here to save you. So I have an amazing box. I'm going to insert pictures and clips of me wearing it. I was gonna do that here, but I took it all already, so you're gonna see it either here, I'm pretty sure right here, of me trying on the pieces and showing them to you. So this box has and the best part of this box is that there are different denominations. So I think you get up to 5 pieces in one box, 3 in another, and then maybe 2. I'm not too sure. But again, I will leave everything linked down below. They give you return address labels. So if you don't like anything or if something doesn't fit you, just send it back, which is amazing. They pay for it. So in this box, I have the paper here. In this box, we start off with a gorgeous t-shirt. So we have this gorgeous, gorgeous t-shirt. I should have been wearing it right now, but I didn't want to get, like, you know, all the things on it. So it is a cow t-shirt. It retails for $44.99. This is in a size medium. I will insert a picture of me wearing it right now. It is so comfy and cozy. It's super, super cute. Goes along with a lot of things. So gorge, love it. The next item is this. This is an open plaid blazer, which, you guys, this is so gorgeous on. Like, honestly, it is the cutest thing. This retails for $114.99. We all need a good blazer. I mean, you can wear this with jeans, leggings, leather leggings or pleather. You can do in shorts. You can even do a mini skirt if you want to. This goes very, very versatile. I think we all need a staple of this in our closet. And again, I will leave a picture here. That's what came in the box. The next thing that came in the box are jeans. Yes, I know that jeans are they're so hard to find a good pair of jeans, and these ones are so stinking cute. Oh my God, I can't wait. These are the high-rise front slit flare jeans, and they retail for $99.99. And they're super, super cute. Love them. And so what it means by the front slits, so I don't know if you can see that, but they kind of open up right here. So again, I will leave a photo here. These are so comfy. They're stretchy. They fit like a glove, and they were so, so comfortable. I love them so, so much. And I'm wearing a size 31 for reference. But again, these are so, so cute with what I'm going to show you. These ankle boots with metal toe. You guys, can we talk about these shoes right now? Oh my God, I am dying. The toe is like so cute. It zips up in the back. They're so comfortable. They're from Beast Fashion, and I'm wearing a size 8 for reference. And they retail for $109.99. And you guys, I'm in love with these boots. Like, again, oh, so gorgeous. Like, love, love, love these. Oh my God, I love shoes. They come with shoes. Ugh, they style you from head to toe. They give you versatility with everything. They are thinking a lot. And the last thing, you guys, oh my gosh. You guys, I can't even like tell you how stunning this is. I don't know if you guys can see that the light's probably gonna be all weird. This dress is absolutely stunning. Stunning. Like, the arms, I'm gonna insert a clip here. You guys, this dress is so beautiful. Like, it works so well with these boots. Like, I'm telling you, Oh, you guys need this dress. This dress retails for $89.99. And I'm telling you guys, like, this is the back. It zips up in the back thing at the bottom, so it's not like super sheer. But like, you guys, this dress with the hat on, oh, so good. Oh my God, so good. So that's what I got in my subscription box for this month. You work with your stylist, you work with what didn't work, what didn't, and again, you return everything. I'm going to insert a clip. It was so funny because I'm going to insert a clip that I had originally was gonna do, and then this box showed up and I was like, oh my gosh. So again, I was lucky that I filmed that before, but I'm gonna insert a clip of other pieces that have came from Frock Box, which I am so excited about. So let's go check that clip out right now. If you do not know about this company called Frock Box, I believe they're from Edmonton, Alberta, I'm pretty sure. But they come out with a monthly subscription as well. And they have been so kind. I love them so much. Brittany is the owner. Make sure you guys go say hi to her for me. That'd be great. They basically style you and help you with back to work wear, just any kind of wear. If you're feeling lost or if you're feeling intimidated, like, they just send you a box with your sizes, you send them back if it doesn't work. Like, it's just a great service. You have like a personal concierge at your service, I guess you'd say. So I just wanted to share some of the pieces that I got, but I just really wanted to share these pieces with you guys. So one of the pieces was this gorgeous top. I've worn it in a couple of videos before, and this is the back, as you can see. Great. I think I will leave my video. If you go to my Instagram, go to my reels, you'll see that 3 ways to style. I usually do 3 ways all the time because I love 3 ways. I think you can get a lot of looks with 3 ways. You guys, they send shoes, okay? They actually send shoes. These are Keds. They are so gorgeous. I, again, styled these as well. I'm so excited about these shoes. Love them. Like, bomb.com company. And then they came out with their own label. It's called Miller, the label, and they're on Instagram. Again, I will leave everything linked down below. It's gonna be a long video. But they came out with this, like, they created their own like clothing, and this pink blazer is fire. Like, when I say fire, like, I styled this. I had so much fun creating the content for this, and it's so perfect. Like, you can dress it up, dress it down. So pretty. Love it. Here is one of them, a sneak peek. This is one of it's a cropped shacket. You'll have to see on my Instagram. I'll be posting that. By the time this video comes out, you already see that reel, but I'm really excited about this one. So cozy, so comfortable, very thick, cute, from their company. So again, those are the amazing pieces that came from Frock Box. I know, I love them. Like, as you can see, like, I love every single piece. They know what they're doing, and especially with coming out, because this dress is their own line. It is Miller by Frock Box. So I didn't mention that, but this dress is. They're trying to style you in the best way possible, because again, it's so overwhelming when you step in a store and you're like, I don't know what to put together, but these girls got you covered. So make sure you guys go check them out. Again, I will leave everybody linked down below. Thank you again to Frock Box for just being the awesome company that you guys are. I genuinely really appreciate it. And I'm just looking forward to next month. So make sure you guys are on that bandwagon. If you guys need help, there you go. I do believe I have a discount code of Lifestyle25 for new customers. I think you get $25 off. Again, I will leave that for sure on the screen down below to help you guys out. I don't get anything from it, but it just helps you guys out and them out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I'm so thankful to do this video. I was really excited. Again, go give them a follow, give them a like, tell them I say hello, what's up, and that I love them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what was your favorite piece. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!